Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KitchenAid K150 3-speed ice crushing blender, a sleek and powerful appliance that promises to make your blending experience faster and more versatile than ever. With a unique design and some interesting features, this blender is designed to meet the needs of those who demand both performance and convenience in their kitchen tools. So let's explore what this blender brings to the table. The KitchenAid K150 blender comes packed with a range of features aimed at delivering a seamless blending experience. It includes two dual-purpose 16-ounce personal blending jars, perfect for creating smoothies or protein shakes on the go. You'll also get a larger 48-ounce blender jar that's perfect for bigger batches or when you need to entertain. But what truly stands out is the blender's ability to crush ice in less than 10 seconds, thanks to its asymmetric blade design that blends at 4 distinct angles. This feature is a game changer for anyone who loves ice-heavy drinks, ensuring powerful crushing and consistent results. This blender offers 3 optimally designed speeds, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of ingredients. From soft fruits to tougher greens, the K150 promises that no matter what you're blending, it'll do the job. Plus, it comes equipped with an ice crush setting, which is specially designed for turning ice into snow in a flash. But the real kicker here is the soft start feature, which starts the motor at a lower speed to pull ingredients into the blade before ramping up to the set speed. This helps minimize splatter and makes for a cleaner experience. The IntelliSpeed motor control is another smart feature, automatically adjusting the speed to ensure optimal blending power, no matter what's inside the jar. During my real-world testing of the K150, I started by using it for some classic smoothie making. I filled the blender jar with frozen strawberries, spinach, a banana, and almond milk. The blender's soft start feature was immediately noticeable. There was no splattering when it started, which is a nice touch compared to other blenders that tend to make a mess. The IntelliSpeed control kicked in as the mixture thickened, maintaining an even speed throughout. It blended everything smoothly, and the consistency was just right. No chunks of fruit left behind. I also put it to the test with the ice crush setting. A quick half tray of ice went in, and within seconds, the blender turned it into a fine, snow-like texture. It was impressive to see how efficiently it worked, especially since many blenders struggle with ice. The 16-ounce personal jars came in handy for making a single-serving smoothie. I just attached the lid, clicked it into the base, and was ready to go. No need to transfer it to a separate container. It made the process fast and convenient, especially for mornings when I'm in a rush. However, there were a couple of things that stood out as weaknesses. For one, while the blender does an excellent job of crushing ice, it does struggle a bit with tougher vegetables like kale. It requires a bit more attention when blending harder greens to ensure smoothness. Also, the 48-ounce jar can feel a bit bulky, making it harder to store, especially if you have a smaller kitchen or limited counter space. On the plus side, the overall build quality is robust. The matte charcoal gray finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits nicely in any kitchen. The personal jars are a nice touch, especially if you're someone who likes to take your smoothies on the go. The motor is powerful but not overly noisy, which is a relief. Some blenders can be incredibly loud, but this one stays relatively quiet during use. In terms of value for money, the K150 offers a strong case. It's priced similarly to other mid-range blenders, but comes with added features like the personal blending jars and the ability to crush ice with ease. When you consider the overall performance, it stands out in this price range. You can find similar blenders, but few offer such a good balance of power, speed control, and convenience. The personal jars, in particular, add significant value. If you're someone who blends smaller portions regularly, they save time and effort. Now, how does the K150 stack up against the competition? Let's compare it briefly to other models in the same price range. If you were to look at a blender like the Ninja BN701 Professional, which also has ice crushing capabilities, the K150 holds its ground in terms of power and speed options. However, the Ninja doesn't come with personal blending jars, which could be a deal breaker if you prefer blending and going. On the other hand, the NutriBullet Pro 900, while slightly more affordable, doesn't have the ice-crushing power or the large capacity jar that the K150 offers. If ice crushing and versatility are top priorities for you, the K150 might be the better pick. In terms of build quality, the KitchenAid K150 is solid and feels durable. The blender jar is made from high-quality plastic, and the motor base is sturdy, ensuring it won't easily slide around when in use. As for longevity, it's tough to speak to that definitively yet, since I haven't had the chance to test it over the long haul, but KitchenAid is known for making reliable, long-lasting products. Their reputation in the kitchen appliance market is solid, and if you've had positive experiences with their other products, this one should follow suit. I didn't have any direct customer support interactions with KitchenAid during my testing of the K150, but it's worth noting that KitchenAid generally has a strong reputation for customer service. They offer a solid warranty for their products, and from previous experiences with their other appliances, they tend to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. When it comes to updates, this blender doesn't rely on any software or firmware updates, so no worries there. It's all about hardware, and it's designed to last without needing constant improvements. So, after all the testing and consideration, where does the KitchenAid K150 stand? It's a solid performer for anyone who needs a reliable blender that can crush ice, make smoothies, and handle everyday tasks. The personal blending jars make it super convenient, and it delivers on the power front without too much noise. There are a few minor issues, like its struggle with tougher greens and the bulkiness of the 48-ounce jar, but overall, it's a fantastic choice in its category. If you're someone who values speed, versatility, and the ability to blend on the go, I'd recommend the K150. For the price, you're getting great value, especially when compared to other blenders that either lack the power or don't offer the same features. Thanks for watching this review. If you're considering the KitchenAid K150, or if you already own one, feel free to drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. If you enjoyed the review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of our future content. Goodbye till next time. Stay blended, stay smooth, and keep it locked to Reviews Inside TV.